Yeah, the big news for us at the show is we have removed PFOA from all our raw materials. That basically means a step forward in the environmental footprint of our products. As you may know, our products have been safe before. We have been working with bluesign and GORE-TEX, so we are not addressing any risk for health of the wearer, but this substance, which was found as an impurity in some of our raw materials, has some environmental properties which we don't like. So we started a while ago a project to remove it from all our raw materials, and finally we have completed that project end of last year. So now we are happy to share with the market that we made that piece of progress. Yeah, it was difficult for us to remove PFOA from the raw materials because it is related to a very effective class of chemicals. So it's all about creating this water repellency surface of a jacket, right? You want water to repel to avoid it picking up water. So the water needs to bead off, and that is an important property of jackets, to let you feel warm and let the jacket dry fast. So we didn't want to compromise on that function of the jacket whilst removing this impurity. So the challenge for us was keeping up the performance and making this environmental step forward. So basically we started working with our suppliers 2003, so 10 years ago, and that just shows you that creating an environmental progress and maintaining the performance and the lifetime of the jacket is really not that easy often. We have removed PFOA from our raw materials by the end of 2013 until the jackets will end up in the shop. It's probably another probably by autumn winter 15 that all these materials have been replaced. But again, it is an environmental progress. There's no concern at all with wearing the jackets which are currently in the shop. As you may know, we have increased the bluesign coverage of our portfolio, of our volume of laminates by over 50%. So that's a strong signal that our products are safe and already environmentally on a good stage, but we want to improve over that. So I do believe GORE is kind of a trendsetter, at least in the pace as we have completed this removal of PFOA from all our raw materials. Right? We did that for consumer products, but we did it also for our workwear products like firefighter, policemen. So we did it for our whole range, and that was considered pretty difficult by anyone in industry. So us having made this complete removal of PFOA certainly puts us in a good place in industry. bluesign will eventually change their criteria. So bluesign already today doesn't allow using those technologies, but they allow a very tiny residual level. We have brought that down, and I think that's a signal for industry to move also in that way.